Welcome to our channel Gunshot Mathematics 1B straight lines నుంచి 4 questions complete చేసినాము. సో ఆ 4 questions మిస్ అయితే మిగతా మోడల్ it is base ఇస్తాడు. This is a base of a triangle. The angle is 60 degrees passing through point 1, 2. Find the remaining two sides of the triangle. Like this is a triangle A B C. Base equation root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This base makes an angle 60 degrees. This is a 60 degrees. And passing through point 1, 2. Now find the remaining two equations. Either AB and AC. So let m be the slope of required line and passing through point 1, 2. Slope point form y minus y1 equals to m of x minus x1. ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. సో m be the slope of a required line and slope of given line. This is reduces to y equals to mx plus c form. Solution given base of the triangle root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Here root 3x and plus 2 transform into RHS. This becomes minus. Alright, y equals to minus root 3x minus 2. So above equation is in the form y equals to mx plus c. So where m equals to minus root 3 is nothing but m1 equals to minus root 3. Let m2 be the slope of required sides of the triangle. Let m2 be the slope of required line. Then angle between two lines. Then we have one form that is in terms of tan theta. So slopes m1 and m2 with two slopes. So then tan theta equals to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, where m1 equals to minus root 3 and theta equal to 60 degrees. And substitute and simplify, we get required slope, that is a tan theta value 60 degrees and 60 equals to mod of m1 value minus root 3 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 value minus root 3 into m2. Tan 60 is root 3 equals to, so from numerator minus common, minus of mod minus of root 3 plus m2 by 1 minus root 3 m2. Mod of minus is plus, so remove mod root 3 equal to plus or minus of root 3 plus m2 by 1 minus root 3 m2. This cross multiplication like this, root 3 of 1 minus root 3 m2 equals to plus or minus root 3 plus m2. We have two cases, one is a positive, one is a negative. First case root 3 into 1, root 3 into root 3 minus 3 into m2 equals to root 3 plus m2. Okay, minus 3m2 transform to RHS becomes plus. This is root 3 cancel. That is m2 plus 3m2 equal to 0. 3m2 plus m2 4m2 equal to 0. m2 equals to 0. So first case la m2 value 0 ochindamma, slope of line. So second case, if negative, that is root 3 into 1 root 3 into minus root 3 3m2 equals to minus of root 3 plus m2. This is root 3 minus 3m2 equals to minus root 3 minus m2. Minus 3m2 transform to RHS becomes plus. This one translate to LHS becomes plus. This is root 3 plus root 3 equals to 3m2 minus m2. Root 3 plus root 3 2 root 3 equals to 3m2 minus m2 2m2. 2 cancel, m2 equals to root 3. So m equal to 0 1 comma 2 1 point తీసుకుంటే one line equation వస్తుంది. m equal to root 3 passing through the point 1 comma 2 తీసుకుంటే another equation వస్తుంది. These are two sides. Here if m equals to 0, case 1, if m equals to 0, equation of AB having slope m equal to 0 and passing through point A of 1 comma 2. Slope point form of line equation y minus y1 equals to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1 value 2, m value 0, x minus x1 value 1. 0 into something is 0, y minus 2 equal to 0. This is a one side equation. Case 2 is if m equals to root 3 and passing through point 1 comma 1. So equation of AC equation of AC having slope m equals to root 3 and passing through point A of 1 comma 2. Slope point line equation y minus y1 equals to m of x minus x1. This is a y minus y1 value 2 equal to m value root 3 of x minus x1 value 1. Y minus 2 equal to root 3 into x, root 3x, root 3 into minus 1 minus root 3. All values transform to RHS. This becomes a minus, this becomes a plus. So equation root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the required sides of the triangle are the required sides of the triangle are one line is y minus 2 equals to 0, y minus 2 equal to 0, and second side root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equals to 0. Okay. Next one is intamundu model lane continuation. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through the point minus 10 comma 4 and making an angle theta with the line x minus 2y equals to 10 such that tan theta equals to 2. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ డైరెక్ట్ వాడు ఇవ్వలేదమ్మా. tan theta value to tan theta is 2. A base equation. This is a base of the triangle. X minus 2y equal to 10 means minus 10 equals to 0. This is a base passing through the point minus 10 comma 4. Find the equations of the triangle. This is the one line. This is the second side. This is a theta. Angle between base and lines is theta, and given that tan theta equals to 2. Any you just go. So equation of base, equation of the base is x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. This line reduces to slope intercept form, or m equals to minus a by b. RHS over this question. So minus 2y transform to RHS becomes plus. That is x minus 10 equal to plus 2y. So divides by 2, we get y equals to 1 by 2 of x minus y. Above equation y equal to mx plus c form, where m equals to 1 by 2. m equal to 1 by 2. Then m1 తీసుకుందాం. Let m2 be the slope of required lines. Let m2 be the slope of required lines, and theta be the angle between lines, and theta be the angle between lines, then tan theta form, tan theta equals to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So ఈ lines की form इसको tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where tan theta is 2, m1 is 1 by 2. Substitute and simplify, we get m2. Tan theta is 2. 2 equals to mod of m1 value 1 by 2 minus m2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m2. So now remove mod when taking plus or minus like this. This is equals to 2 equals to plus or minus of, so taking LCM is 2, 1 minus multiplied by 2 m2 by 2. From denominator here also LCM is 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 into m2 by 2. Denominator 2 cancel. We have two cases, one is plus, another one is minus. This is a 2 equals to 1 minus 2m by 1 minus 2m2 by 2 plus m2, 2 plus m2, or second case 2 equals to minus of this one, minus of 1 minus 2m2 by 2 plus m2. Cross multiply and simplification, we get m2 like this. 2 of 2 plus m2 equal to 1 minus 2m2. 2 into 2 4, 2 into m2, 2m2 equals to 1 minus 2m2. Minus 2m2 transform to LHS becomes plus 2m2 plus 2m2 equals to 1. This one transform to RHS becomes minus 1 minus 4. 2m2 plus 2m2. 4m2 equals to 1 minus 4 is minus 3. We get slope m2 equals to minus 3 by 4. First case m value minus 3 by 4 వచ్చింది. So second case, this is 2 of 2 plus m2 equals to minus 1 into minus into 1 minus of 1 minus 2m2. 2 into 2 4, 2 into m2, 2m2 equals to minus 1 minus of minus plus 2m2. ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే 2m2 plus 2m2 వచ్చేసింది అన్నమాట. ఆల్వేస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాం ఆ వాల్యూస్. అంటే 4 is not equals to minus 1. That means we take m2 is infinitely many values, is nothing but m2 equal to infinity. Okay, m2 equal to ఈ కేసెస్ లో మీరు m2 ఈక్వల్ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ అది ఒకటే వన్ లైన్ వస్తుందని టెన్షన్ పడొద్దమ్మా. ఇక్కడ m2 is a -3/4 one line equation and m2 equal to infinity second line equation, two equations వస్తాయి. So case 1 if m equal to -3/4 and point -10 comma 4 and point -10 comma 4 మీకు ఈజీగా ఇట్లా ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తే వేసుకున్నాం. స్లోప్ పాయింట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్, స్లోప్ పాయింట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ line equation, slope point form of line equation, y minus y1 equals to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1 value 4 equal to m value minus 3/4 of x minus x1 value minus 10. This cross multiplication, 4 of y minus 4 equals to minus 3 of x minus or minus x plus 10. 4 into y, 4y, 4 into minus 4, minus 16 equals to minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into 10, minus 30. Two values transform into LHS becomes plus, this is a plus 3x plus 4y minus 16, this becomes plus 30 equals to 0. Okay, this is a 3x plus 4y minus 16 plus 30 is a plus 14 equal to 0. This is a one line equation. And another one, case 2 equals to if m is infinity and passing through point minus 10 comma 4. Same as it is slope point form of line equation, y minus y1 equals to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1 value 4 equals to value infinity means something by 0. Wait, this is a infinity of x minus x1 value minus 10. This cross multiplication, y minus 4 by infinity equals to x minus or minus x plus 10. Something by infinity is what? 0. 0 equals to x plus 10. This is a one line equation. This is second line equation. Therefore, the required sides of the triangle, the required sides of the triangle are x plus 10 equal to 0 and second line 3x plus 4y plus 14 equals to 0. మనకు 1b లో 18th క్వశ్చన్ ఈ మోడల్స్ తప్ప వేరే మోడల్స్ ఏం రావు. దాదాపు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ 99% ఈ మోడల్సే వస్తుంటాయి. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడము నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడము, పక్కన బెల్